Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. This is 10th standard state board, chapter 5, exercise 5.4, 7th sum. A minus 3 comma 0, B 10 comma minus 2 and C 12 comma 3 are the vertices of a triangle. Find the equation of the altitude. Altitude means a perpendicular altitude through A and B. See, A minus 3 comma 0, B 10 comma minus 2 and C 12 comma 3 are the vertices of the triangle. See here, take the triangle like this, vertices of your triangle. This is A, B, C. A, B, C. Find the equation of the altitude through A, equation of the altitude through A, you can mark it as D, and through B, through B. So you can mark it as this as E. Okay. So what is the vertices of A? Minus 3 comma 0. B vertices is 10 comma minus 2. C vertices is 12 comma 3. So first you should find out the altitude through A. First we should find out altitude through A. First you should find out the equation of the line altitude through A. Okay. See, find out the slope of these lines B and C. Slope of BC, slope of B and C. What is the value of B? B is 10 comma minus 2 and C is 12 comma 3. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. What is the equation of the slope? Yeah, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The formula of the slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It gives, what is y2 here? 3 minus y1 is minus 2. You put a bracket by x2. x2 value is 12 minus 10. So it gives 3 plus 2 by 2. So the value of the slope of BC equal to 5 by 2. Slope of BC equal to 5 by 2. Slope of BC equal to 5 by 2. That AD is the altitude. Altitude AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. So slope of AD equal to minus 1 by m. It's nothing but minus 1 by m. M is nothing but what? This is m. Minus 1 by 5 by 2. So slope of AD equal to reciprocal that value minus 2 by 5. Equation of line, that is altitude. Equation of line AD equal to, see what is the point? Through the point A. Equation of the line AD through the point minus 3 comma 0. This is x1 and this is y1. So what is the value? Y minus y1. What is the formula for y1 is 0. Y minus y1 equal to what is the m value? Slope of AD is what? Minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 into x plus 3, because minus into minus become plus. slope of AD, equation of the line AD through the point minus 3 comma 0. This is the point A. Okay, A point minus 3 comma 0 is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 value is 0, m, that is slope of AD, perpendicular slope of AD is what? Minus 2 by 5, x minus x1, already minus is there, minus into minus become plus. So x plus 3. So equation of line AD, equation of line AD equal to 5 into y minus 0 equal to minus 2 into x plus 3. So 5y equal to minus 2x, you bring minus 2 inside, minus 2x minus 6. X is negative, so you can bring it to the left hand side. So 2x plus 5y plus 6 equal to 0. This is the equation of the line AD. Next we move on to altitude through B. Altitude through B. First we found the value of altitude through A, the equation. Now we move on to what? Altitude through B. Altitude through B. See here, altitude through B. First you should find out the slope of AC. A value is minus 3 comma 0 and C value is 12 comma 3. Find out the slope of AC. Slope of AC. Slope of AC equal to the same formula. What is? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope of AC equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 is nothing but what? 3 minus y1 value is 0 by x2 is 12. 12 minus of minus 3. 12 minus of minus 3. It gives 3 by 15. That is 12 plus 3. It gives 3 by 12 plus 3. So you cancel this 1 time, 5 time. Slope of AC equal to 1 by 5. See, BE is perpendicular to AC. BE is perpendicular to AC. BE, the line is perpendicular to AC. Slope of BE. Slope of BE equal to, perpendicular means minus 1 by m. So this is m, minus 1 by m, minus 1 by m value is what? 1 by 5. So slope of BE equal to, reciprocal this value minus 5. Then equation of the line BE. Equation of the line, equation of the line BE. Equation of the line BE passing through the point. What point? 10 comma minus 2. Passing through the point. Passing through the point. Passing through the point. Through the point. What is the point? 10 comma minus 2. 10 comma minus 2. 10 comma minus 2. What is the equation? When one slope and point is given as y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So this is x1 and this is y1. Y minus y1. y1 value is minus 2 equal to, perpendicular slope is minus 5. X minus x1 is what? 10. So y plus 2 equal to minus 5x plus 50. Minus 5x plus 50. So you bring this negative value to this side, that is right hand side. Left hand side, what is the value you are getting? See, y plus 2 plus 5x minus 50 equal to 0, equal to 0. So equation of line, equation of the line BE is, equation of the line BE is 5x plus y minus 48 equal to 0. 5x plus y minus 50 plus 2 minus 48 equal to 0. See the eighth sum. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points. If it is perpendicular means you should take it as a m value as minus 1 by m, because perpendicular slope is minus 1 by m. Normally the parallel slope is m, perpendicular slope is minus 1 by m. So find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. First you should find out the value of m, then you move on to the next one, minus 1 by m, because it is perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points A minus 4 comma 2 and B 6 comma minus 4. Given points A minus 4 comma 2 and B 6 comma minus 4. First you should find out the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB equal to, what is the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. So the point AB equal to, the midpoint AB equal to minus 4 plus 6 by 2 comma 2 minus 4 by 2. 2 minus 4 by 2. So midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB equal to minus 2 by 2 comma minus 2 by 2. 2 by 2 minus 2 by 2, cancel, you are getting the value what? 1 comma minus 1. The point is 1 comma minus 1. Midpoint of AB is P, you can take. The point is 1 comma minus 1. Next you should find out the slope of AB. The line, slope of AB. Slope of AB equal to the same, what is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It gives y2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2. y1 value is minus 2. Then 6. x2 is 6. x1 is minus 4. Minus of minus 4. So what is the value for this? Minus 6 by 6 plus 4. Minus 6 by 6 plus 4. So slope of AB. Slope of AB equal to minus 6 by 10. You cancel the value by 2 table. Minus 3 by 5. Perpendicular slope. Slope of perpendicular. Slope of perpendicular, or perpendicular slope is nothing but what? This is m, means can take it as what? Minus 1 by m. It gives minus 1 by minus 3 by 5. Cancel, the value is equal to 5 by 3. So find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector passing through the point. What is the point? 1 comma minus 1. Passing through the point 1 comma minus 1 and having slope. What is the slope? 5 by 3. and having slope 5 by 3. So what is the equation? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Equation of perpendicular bisector. Equation of perpendicular bisector. See, this is x1 y1. This is x1, this is y1. So what is the formula? Y minus y1. y1 value is minus 1. Minus 1. What is the slope? 5 by 3. X minus x1 value is 1. So y plus 1 equal to 5 by 3. 5 by 3 into 5 by 3 into x minus 1. You bring 3 to the left hand side. See here, 3 into y plus 1 equal to 3 into y plus 1 equal to 5 into x minus 1. So 3y plus 3 equal to 3y plus 3 equal to, bring 3 inside, 3y plus 3 equal to 5x minus 5. 5x minus 5. So x is positive, so 5x minus 5, you can keep that value as it is, 5x minus positive, 5x minus 5, you bring that 3y plus 3 to the what? Right hand side, minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0, 5x minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. This is the equation of the line perpendicular bisector. See the ninth sum, it is an important sum. See, find the equation of the straight line through the intersection of the lines. If the lines are intersecting at a point, so you should find out, you solve these two equations and get that point. To find the point of, to get the point, you can solve these two equations to get the point of intersection. And parallel to the line, parallel means it is m, perpendicular means it is minus 1 by m. Whenever you are doing sum, you can keep in this mind parallel. You can see the word parallel means that is slope m. If it is a perpendicular slope means minus 1 by m. Is it clear? See here, to get the point of intersection, when the two lines are intersecting at a point. So you should find out the point of intersection. You solve first two equation. You know very well, we are done in the algebra to solve the equation. To get the point of intersection. You can take it as 7x plus 3y equal to 10. You can take it as the first equation. Next, 5x minus 4y equal to 1. Take it as the second equation. So multiply by 4 this equation and multiply by 3. This equation fully you can multiply by 4 and this you can multiply by 3. What is the value we are getting? See here, 28x plus 12y equal to 40. 28x plus 12y equal to 40. 15x. 5 3s are 15x minus 12y. 15x minus 12y equal to 3. Solve the equation. You can take it as this is 3 and this is 4. 12y minus 12y get cancelled. So 28 plus 15 is nothing but what? 43x. 43x equal to 40 plus 3 is what? 43. So 43x equal to 43. 43x equal to 43. What is the x value? X equal to 43 by 43. It gives 1. Substitute Substitute x equal to 1 in any one of the equation. Can substitute in the first equation. What is the first equation? 7x plus 3y equal to 10. 7 into x value is what? 1 plus 3y equal to 10. So 3y, 7 plus 3y equal to 10. 3y equal to 10 minus 7. 3y equal to the 7, you can bring it into the right hand side. 3y equal to 10 minus 7. So 3y equal to 3. What is the value of y? Y equal to 3 by 3. Y equal to 1. What is the point? Point of intersection is 1 comma 1. The point is 1 comma 1. So therefore point of intersection is point of intersection at point 1 comma 1. Next, and parallel to the line. Slope of the line, first you should find out slope of the line. Slope of the line 13x plus 5y plus 12 equal to 0. Slope of the line m equal to slope of the line m equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Slope of the parallel line. Slope of the parallel line. Slope of the parallel line equal to minus 13 by 5. Suppose if it is given as perpendicular means you can take it as minus 1 by m. If it is parallel means you can write as it is m value. So you should find out the value of equation of the straight line. Equation of the straight line passing through the point. Equation of the straight line passing through the point. What is the point? 1 comma 1. Passing through the point. Passing through the point. Passing through the point. Point is 1 comma 1 and having slope. And having slope. And having slope is minus 13 by 5. And having slope is minus 13 by 5. So y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So this is x1 and this is y1. Y minus y1 is 1 equal to minus 13 by 5. Minus 13 by 5 into x minus x1 value is 1. Y minus y1 is 1 minus 13 by 5 into x minus x1 value is 1. So you bring that 5 to the left hand side. So 5 into y minus 1 equal to minus 13 into x minus 1. Multiply 5 inside, 5y minus 5. 5y minus 5 equal to minus 13x plus 13. Minus into minus become plus 13. Here x is negative. So you bring these two values to the what? Left hand side. So 5y minus 5 plus 13x minus 13 equal to 0. So 13x plus 5y minus 13 minus 5 is what? Minus 18 equal to 0. This is the equation of the straight line. 13x plus 5y minus 13 minus 5 value equal to what? Minus 18 equal to 0. Thank you children.